Guys, this is the trick I used in order to get my 1000 subscribers. No cap, no cap. Let me take you to my laptop and show you guys what I did in order to get 1000 plus subscribers. And I bet you, if you follow this my trick, if you follow this my way, you will be celebrating 1000 subscribers soon. You will be celebrating 1000 subscribers soon. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel as I take you to my laptop to show you my trick, how I got my 1000 subscribers plus. It's possible. You can do it. You can get it. I got it. You too can get it. Let's go to my laptop and I show you exactly what I did to attract my first 1000 subscribers. Guys, it is possible. It is possible. Okay, not to talk much. I don't want to take a lot of your time. Let me take you straight to my laptop and show you how I did it. And I want you to do the same. Follow the same method that I'm going to show you in order to get your 1000 subscribers. Okay? Okay, let's get started. All you need to do is go to your channel dashboard. It's very easy to do that. Just go to Google Chrome, type in studio.youtube.com as seen here. It's going to take you straight to your channel dashboard. Guys, this is the gist. Can you see this? This is dashboard, this is content, we have analytics, we have community. You scroll down here. Can you see these subtitles? You click on it. It's going to bring you to channel subtitles. Okay, let's use this my video to add our subtitles. Let's click this video. So you click on the video that you want to add the subtitles. Can you see this video subtitles? First thing you have to do is you come here to English, that is automatic captions. You click on this thing like a pencil, you click on it, and you come here and click on publish. So changes safe processing may take few hours. Yeah, so next thing you are supposed to do is when you've published it, you come here to add language. Can you see this? Add language. Remember, you recorded your video in English or in French, and not everybody understands English, not everybody understands French. So what you're trying to do here is you're trying to add languages so that people who come across your videos who do not understand English or French can still get the message behind your video. So that's the purpose. That's what we are trying to do here. So you click here on add language. It's going to bring you here. Can you see the different languages? Here we go. Just look at this, guys. Just look at this. These are the different languages. These are them. These are them, as you can see. All what we need to do here is we have to start adding these languages. If you can add as many as you can, that's how you'll be able to reach a larger audience, because people from Arabic will be able to understand your video, and that's how you will get views and subscribers. People from China will be able to understand your video. Remember, you've recorded your video in English, but imagine somebody in China is watching your video because you've added the language Chinese here. Can you see? So this is what you're supposed to do. Go to your YouTube studio, go to subtitles, add as many languages as you can. So let me show you how to do it. The first language we are going to add in this my video is Arabic. I like Arabic because they used to watch my videos. So when you click on the language that you want to add, you come here to this thing that looks like a pencil. You click on it. Can you see this? There's upload file, there's type manually, there's auto translate. You click on auto translate. It will automatically translate your video from English into Arabic. Click on it. Can you see this? Can you see this is Arabic here? This is it. This is the Arabic. This is Arabic. This is it. So you come here now to publish. Click on publish. So now your video that was recorded in English can now be understood by those who do not understand English. That is, those who understand only Arabic can still get the message behind your video by watching your video. Next language, you keep doing like that. You can add as many languages as you can. The next language I'm going to add is this. Same step, you come here to this thing that looks like a pencil, you click on it, you click on auto translate. It's going to translate that video into that language. As you can see here, this is Bambara, this is my video, this is it in English, this is it in Bambara. So you click, you come here now to publish. You come to the next one, as many as you can, guys. The first language I'll even advise you to click is French, because majority of people understand French. You click on French, do the same thing, come here to auto translate. It's going to translate from English to French. You click on publish. Next language I'll advise you again to click on or to add is Spanish. A lot of people speak Spanish. So you come here to Spanish, click on Spanish. Same steps, click on this pencil, click on auto translate, come here to publish. You can add as many languages as you want, like it is here, as you can see. The next language is German. You can click on German, click on this, come to auto translate, you click on publish. As simple as that, guys. You can add as many languages as you can. That's just it. This is how, the more languages you add, that's how you get bigger audience, and the watch your video, you get more watch hours. You're going to get a lot of subscribers. Let me add this one, Japan. Click again, click on auto translate, click on publish. Can you see that? As simple as that. Very simple. Very, very simple. You can see that. Let me add Somali. Yeah, always. Let me add Swahili first. Those who speak Swahili will be able to understand your video that was recorded in English. That's the main goal of what we are doing here. We want to give people access to our video. We don't want any limitations. We don't want any limitations. So guys, you can add as many languages as you can. Add as many languages as you can. Like I earlier said, the more languages you add, the bigger your chance of getting a larger population to watch your video. And as they watch your video, you're going to get a lot of subscribers and lots of watch hours and views. Come again here, click on publish. That's it, guys. That's it. You do that for all the other languages that you want to add, and there we go. Next video, I'm going to show you again how you can get watch as thank you. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.